Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today we have another unboxing, reviewing and testing of this LIVARNOLUX LED solar light. We have 3 years warranty from Lidl, included battery, solar, great color, I like it. Well, for the garden, patio or balcony, turns on automatically at dusk, long life LED with white light, illumination type, approximately 8 hours when fully charged. Can be switched off manually, splash-proof IP44, includes lithium battery 600 mAh, replaceable ground spike and instruction manual. Oh, that's everything is nice. Let's see what we have inside. Of course, included inside we'll get some manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice. And here it is. We can take that out and put it just like that, or you can put it with just like that and stick it to the ground as much as you like, as much as you want. Here is the solar panel for charging. You can see the material, of course, is plastic, but it feels like rock. Now we can turn it out just like that, and you can reveal the mirrors and the one LED and the on-off switch. We have some power and the LED is on. Let's turn it off and see what kind of batteries we've got inside. Are they rechargeable? It's one lithium battery, Gripo, rechargeable lithium battery, 6 milliamps and 1.2 volts, made in China on February 2019. That's nice. I will turn it on and it will illuminate in the night. That's all about. Of course, we are going to put it and charge it and see how it works at night. And here it is how it looks at the night. Very bright and very romantic. Well guys, that was all about this LIVARNOLUX LED solar. If you want something like that into your balcony to give a touch of a beautiness to your table, just buy it. It costs only €5. Just give it to your girlfriend for a present maybe. Make some romantic night. Why not? And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, share this video. You never know who may need it. And don't forget, hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Believe me. Adios, ciao.